Alright guys, this is an old Model 5. It's going to be going off here, so guys, turn down your speakers now. I'm warning you guys, it's going to be loud, so turn down your Oh yeah guys, this thing is loud. Alright guys, it's just like we said, this is a 1942 Fedelectric Model 5 Siren, also known as a Fedelcode. This one's got a 3-phase power, 7.5 horsepower, 12-port single-tone siren. This was used for fire and emergency calls. But now it only sounds at 12 p.m. at Monday through Saturday because Dalton residents were sick and tired of it going off for fire calls and emergencies all the time. So it only goes off at noon now, guys. Okay? Just want to make sure you guys were aware. Now, as of right now, guys, this is the only active siren here in Dalton right now. I did get a request from Siren Tube. So Siren Tube, I don't mean to do this, but I'm going to give you a shout out for suggesting to try to find other active sirens. So I did find another one that is active in Chinchilla. So if you know where that is, just let me know. Yeah. Anyway, guys, this is the start of the show today. It's 1942 Fedelectric Model 5 3-phase power siren. Okay? Thanks, guys. We'll catch you in the next siren adventure.